Investing in mutual funds for the first time, the most important question that haunts us is SIP kare ya lump sum? Hi friends, I'm Rushabh Shah from Midas Finance, and today we are going to be talking about SIP and lump sum. Before we understand SIP or lump sum, it is very important to understand what is mutual fund. For that, we have shot a separate video. You can find the link in the description. Let's understand SIP. SIP is nothing but a facility provided to you by mutual funds whereby you can invest into markets on a regular frequency. The frequency can be daily, weekly, monthly, etc. What are the benefits of SIP? SIP helps you with rupee cost of averaging. The major benefit that SIP offers is you don't have to time the market. It makes timing irrelevant. Third and the most important feature of SIP is it does not hurt your wallet. You can do SIP of as small as 100 rupees to start with. SIP for me is like going on a daily walk. It is important to do it regularly to achieve a drastic result. On the other hand, let's try to understand lump sum. Lump sum is nothing but one-time investment in the market. While you're investing at one point of time, market timing becomes the most relevant thing. You should be able to time it properly. Lump sum generally works better if done in a huge amount. So, whenever you're thinking of doing lump sum, unless and until you have a larger sum of money, lump sum becomes irrelevant. Lump sum for me is like a rocket booster. You want to utilize it whenever markets have corrected. You can also use lump sum to boost your portfolios to achieve your goals. For example, let's assume your daughter's marriage is next year and you want to achieve an X amount of money. So this year I will start investing more money into the portfolio to achieve my desired goal of my daughter's marriage, which is next year. And this is how you can use lump sum. So which is the right way of investing? SIP or lump sum? The answer is both. SIP helps you with safety net, whereas lump sum is like a rocket booster which helps you achieve your targets on time. So my friends, the right way to investments is to do both. Start an SIP and use lump sum using the market conditions to boost your portfolio to achieve desired goals. To understand more about mutual funds, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.